I think PC building's dead. Like, I built this computer, this guy's building this computer. But, like, look, if we go to newegg.com, right, we search for a pre-built, we'll go with the ABS Cyclone Ruby, right? All right, now hold on. Let me put all the specs in PC Part Picker real quick. All right, so here I have all of the parts in the part list from here. I have it all in PC Part Picker, right? And it comes out to $1,531. If we go back to Newegg, it comes out to 1,300 or 1,400. But see, it's like it's not bad. But like, it's way cheaper to buy a pre-built than it is to build, and the first time in a long time. And this is not looking good.